Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you one that I've done before. It's a polar array. So we're going to start off by drawing a circle. And we'll do it on 0, 0 just for ease. And let's do 100 for the size. I'll zoom in a little bit there. Okay, so now we need to add another circle. And we'll do it at the top of the bigger circle on the circumference. Use that as the center. Okay, and we'll go for 10. So now what we want to do with polar array is we want to have these smaller circles evenly spread out around the circumference of the bigger one. So we'll either press this polar array button or you can type in array polar. Select your object, so select the small circle and press enter. Specify the center point of your array, which will be the center point of the bigger circle here. Now, as a default, it will choose 6 what we call items around in the array, but you can change that. So you can come up here to the top where it says 6, I can change that to 10, and it updates it. If I want to do rows, I can change that to 2. It will add more rows. If I want to change that to 6, there you go. And then I can change that to 12. Okay, so let's just put it back to how it was. We'll have 1 row, but we'll keep it at 12. So if you were, for example, designing a clock face. So once you're happy with that, we can then press here, close array, and that is the command done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.